Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a PayPal business account, which is perfect for online sellers, freelancers, or small business owners to accept payments globally. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official PayPal website, and now that you're here, you will just have to click sign up and then choose business, of course, and then you will just have to click get started and basically just wait for it to load. And yeah, so anyway, once you're here, you will just have to fill out your first name, your last name, email, password, and make sure that all of the information that you've input here are all correct, and of course your phone number as well. And then after that, you will be asked to link your bank account. So you might as well provide your bank account information and verify to enable transactions. And then you will be asked as well to confirm your email. So you should check your email and then you will click confirmation link and then you will log in back to your PayPal. And then you will start accepting payments since your PayPal business account is now ready. So you will create your payment buttons or link to receive payments. And yeah, that's how you can create your PayPal business account. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.